remove a device from using end-to-end encryption for Messenger. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Messenger and then log into your account. After you have logged into your account, click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings. In here, you'll find Secret Conversation. Make sure you turn it off and your end-to-end encryption will be turned off. Or simply, if you want to end encryption with a specific person, simply click on their profile and delete conversation. That's how you remove a device from using end-to-end encryption for Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.